Hey everyone, I'm Barry.
Clint.
Cyn.
And we just rode Hagrid's
Magical Creatures Motorbike
Adventure. There we go, we got it right.
Ta-da!
Let's start with Cyn. What was your initial thoughts?
OMG. You actually feel like you're riding a motorbike. It is insane.
Clint?
I'm still processing it. Everything's awesome about this. It's living up to the hype. Every review you've seen on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everything. The coaster parts are well done. The dark ride moments where you're not riding around on a roller coaster are phenomenally done. It's just paced so well.
Yeah, I mean, I've ridden over 500 coasters around the world, and I have never seen one as themed out, as story-wise, from the queue all the way to the end of the ride. It's amazing. There's really nothing I've ever experienced anything like this. I mean, even down to the details on the bikes and sidecars itself.
Yeah.
It's all these little details that I mean, most people are not even going to notice that, but they're there, and you feel like you're on a motorbike. You hear the rumble of the engine. You know, I mean, and the launches, they're all different.
Yes, they're all different. It's super smooth. It's not like herky-jerky at all.
Yeah, there's a few launches that aren't really launches, and it just kind of gives you that extra ump of speed to get through that coaster part that you're on. But it's all done so well. It's like a perfect package. You've got a great coaster. You got some great dark ride elements. It's perfect.
Some
I love
cool animatronics along the way.
And
some
unicorns.
neat effects.
And
Yes,
unicorns.
Yes, unicorns. You know, the devil snare part was really cool. I mean, it's really well done. I mean, I don't think Universal has ever done anything like this before. So
Fantastic.
Great job, Universal. We want more like this.
It's definitely, I think, just after one ride out of the three major Harry Potter attractions, I gotta say, this may be my favorite now.
This is already on my top.
Hands down.
Hands down, this is the best
Gringotts
one.
second and Forbidden Journey third,
Yeah.
because I get nauseous on that ride. That's just me.
But
What about the Flight of the Hippogriff?
I'll have to figure out where that is, but I've always loved the Flying Unicorn.
yes, but a well done edition. As much as we love Dueling Dragons, Dragon Challenge,
R.I.P.
RIP, I couldn't ask for a better replacement. I
Yes.
mean, this is something a lot more people will be able to ride.
Yeah, it's got a 48-inch height requirement, so littler ones will be able to ride. So that's perfect.
So we loved it. Come and try it. Islands
out
of
here.
Adventure, Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Hogsmeade. One last time, Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Ride it. Check it out. Remember, subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button. That's it. Thrillgeek, our review. Hagrid.
Loved it. We'll talk more about it on the podcast. Make sure you listen to the podcast.
Listen
Yes.
to the podcast.
Yes, and we'll see you in the parks.
See you guys.